Fabrizio Santafede or Fabrizio Santafede, c. 1560–1623–28, was an Italian painter known for his altarpieces. He painted in a late-Mannerist style, and his style marks the transition from Mamnerism to Baroque. Life. Born in Naples, he began as a pupil of his father, the painter Francesco Santafede, and later became a pupil of Marco Pino. He may have been one of the collaborators of Pino on the decoration of the Church of S. Giovanni Fiorentini in Naples. He traveled extensively, including to Bologna, Florence, Rome, and Venice in his study of the great masters. He became a dealer in antiques and paintings. He painted extensively in Naples, including an Assumption and Coronation of the Virgin for Santa Donna Regina Nuova. The Baroque painter Massimo Stanzian is mentioned as one of his pupils. Legend has it that during the sack of Naples in 1647 by insurgents under Masaniello, 2 houses in which Santafede had painted frescoes were spared out of respect for the artist. References. External links. Media related to Fabrizio Santafede at Wikimedia Commons. Bibliography. De Dominici, Bernardo, 1742. Vite Pittori, Scultori, ed Architetti Napolitani, Volume 2. Stamperia del Ricciardi, Naples, digitized by Google Books from Oxford University, copy on February 1, 2007. Pages 223–236. Farquhar, Maria, 1855. Ralph Nicholson Warnham, ed. Biographical Catalogue of the Principal Italian Painters. Woodfall and Kinder, Angel Court, Skinner Street, London, digitized by Google Books from Oxford University, copy on June 27, 2006. Page 159. Whitcower, Rudolph, 1993. Pelican History of Art, Art and Architecture Italy, 1600 to 1750. 1980. Penguin Books.